Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no post available on Facebook. So let's have a look now. Open your Facebook apps, click on the menu button, then click on this gear icon, scroll down and under the information section, click on activity log. Now click on the arrow next to your Facebook activity. From the options, choose Manage Post under Post section. Click on Filters. Click on Categories. Then from the menu, tap on your post, photos and videos. Select all. Then tap on these three dots. Choose Change Audience. Now in the Privacy section, click on Public. Confirm the action by clicking Change. So there you have it. Your post will be available now in your timeline. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.